Practically Prefect comes as a response to the amount of sports equipment that clutters up my house and boot of my car. It's also trying to solve a problem in that my little boy is desperate for a sports theme room, but I'm not so keen on his favourite team's colourway. So by creating and designing Practically Prefect, I hope to answer that age-old problem and provide a solution that has a heritage charm, but honours and celebrates all the things your little one loves if they're particularly sporty. Whether it's the colourway, which we're calling Captain, inspired by old school ties, or possibly you want to go for something really playful like Team with its bold numbered t-shirts, or perhaps something more classic and charming like Sports with its all over graph paper background and these small painted motifs of vintage sports equipment. Whether you go with one of the 2 wallpapers and pair it with one of the 4 fabrics, however you mix and match Practically Prefect, I'm sure you can find a winning combination.